Hey you, it's Jess here and welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing my September kit lineup and we're going autumn this month, like super autumn leading into October. So let's get into it. We got September 2nd through the 8th and I'm using the July mystery kit from SPC this year called Full Fun Cafe. Of course I've already hauled all these, but I'll quickly go through it. I did pick up an extra set of fashion people to go with this, but I thought this was like a super soft, pretty light fall set, so that would be good for the start of the season. Yeah, I really love these colors, so pretty and soft. I did also pick up the extra doodles, so we have both pages here, and then you have the fashion people there. Sorry, I got a paper cut. I can feel it, but I can't see it anymore. Literally, I was just going through my foil bundles and got a paper cut. So I guess it was like it was from one of the sellers, so it was, I guess, a plastic cut. Anyway, for this, I am gonna lean into the like soft, warm pink colors, and I'm gonna use rose gold with this. First, I'm going to put a rose gold confetti bundle from SPC with this because it's like standard and got the scripts in here and the icons and just like, you know, a nice standard base. And then I have some rose gold items from Planet Choco that I just hauled. I had these plaid hole reinforcers because we do have plaid in here. I have these quotes and I'm sure one of these will be perfect. Maybe autumn leaves and pumpkins, please, or I can't remember. I don't remember which one I was going to use, but one of these quotes. And then I have some box overlays. I don't know if I'll use all of these, but it'll be nice just to have a little bit more of that decoration throughout. And then I have these headers to go over the top. Again, we'll see if I use them. I don't always use glitter header overlays, but yeah, so that is what I'm choosing to use for the very beginning of September. If you remember watching the August one, my last week of August is this one, so I feel like those transition well to each other. Then for September 9th through the 15th, I'm using Amber Dreams, and this is from Caress Press. This one's a lot brighter, a lot more orange. I've got some different fashion people to include. But I do like how it has the green. It has the oranges, but it also has the brown and the tan color, just to balance that out a little bit. So nice. And then these aren't color blocks, so I'm thinking I might actually put the strong orange in the Thursday. So I have less of the strong orange and it's still more of a lighter set that way. But I'm going to pair it with this Planet Choco foil bundle in her copper foil, which is pretty orange. And this is sunflower bundle because there are sunflowers in the art. Not on the front page. Oh, there's one. There are sunflowers in here. I think one of the extra boxes has it. Anyway, there's sunflowers in there, so I got the sunflower bundle to go with that in her very, very orangey copper, which is nice. And I thought the design would be really cute, but it also made me think kind of 70s, and because there's a bit of a 70s thing going on with this art. But her foil bundles have like everything you need, and then I just added on some bougie dot underlays and also the sunflower cluster deco, because not a lot of deco comes with the bundle. But that is going to be our second week of September. For our third week, September 16th through the 22nd, I'm using Golden Woods, which was art that I did not that long ago, and this is the SPC version. It's both a fall autumn fairy tale, but also Rings of Power. You could use it with it. As you can see with the front boxes, there's no like, other than the Silmarillion, it doesn't have to be used for Lord of the Rings at all. But it is also for Rings of Power. So Rings of Power starts on the 29th. And let me have a look, because they actually brought up their list of, they did a list of what the episodes are for the weeks. So here you go. They brought this out, which was very cool. It's like, and your next few weeks belong to Sauron. So this week is gonna be episode 6. So that'll be exciting. I just wanted to use it sometime, but the show starts on the 29th and it's just too early to do this set. But yeah, I still love it. And the freebie is a toolbox of Galadriel, so you know I'll be using her. I got some doodles. I do have some fashion people with this as well. Last time I actually cut this box down with the beautiful butterflies. I cut them down to be one full-size box because I wanted to use them. So we could do that this time, we'll see. Yeah, and we just have like, we also have the 3 rings that they made in the show. And this season's gonna be way more about the rings, so that'll be fun. And then of course we have, this is supposed to be Sauron's hand, so you have like the 1 ring there, which will be perfect because we got Sauron Anatar proper in this season, as they said in that post. But I am going to pair champagne lights with this as per usual, sparkly gold. And I'm actually going to bring in this bundle Pixie Dust from Caress Press because I thought it was really pretty soft starry design, which I thought would be perfect for this. Just the normal bougie boxes there. And then I also added in some SPC scripts and icons in champagne lights. And then I have the equivalent. It's a little bit hotter than proper champagne lights, but I think it'll be okay in the spread. I got this custom bottom washi from Planner Hannah that says 1 ring to roll them all, 1 ring to find them, 1 ring to bring them all, and in the darkness bind them. And the other quote's going to be for a future spread. And I also got this little quote from the first season of Rings of Power. I have been awake since before the breaking of the first silence. Yeah, I love that moment in the show. So I won't spoil it for you if you haven't watched it, but yeah, so I put those in there to like more reference the Lord of the Rings and specifically the Rings of Power show. So that's going to be in there to mark watching the show, watching episode 6. And I can't wait. But I'm glad I still had another kit of this, although I think I don't have any more. But this is still available from both SBC and Caress Press if you're looking for the Golden Woods art. Then for September 23rd through the 29th, I'm using this Scribble Prints Co. exclusive art set Full Vibes that came out this year. I just hold this as well. I just love the colors of this. It's just so pretty. And I always love Dusk art. I got both of the deco sheets. But I love the green and the like more wine Merlot kind of color here. There's less oranges and whatnot. And I thought that came like transitions well after the orange and then into Golden Woods. And I'm actually going to pair this with the confetti foil bundle in. I don't know the color of this, but it's a dark green. So I'll show you on the bow. And it's a bit of a richer green that's in the set, but I think it still goes like, and I like the idea of having it a bit dark and a bit more monochrome instead of using like an orange foil or something like that. I couldn't really find a red or purple that really matched like this one either. And I wasn't really wanting to use like the brown chocolate as well. So I think this dark green will look really cool with this and give us a really cool monochrome effect. And then for the last one for this month, I will show you, even though only a couple days in September, but in my Caress Press inserts, this is still kind of considered September. So for September 30th through October 6th, we're going to start getting into Halloween basically. And I'm using the September mystery from Caress Press last year called Goth Doll. I just thought it was really fun. It makes me think of the Dead Inside art, kind of like the sister of that. So I'm looking forward to using this. I love the theme a lot. And the colors are really fun, and the colors also just make me think of Halloween as well. So I thought it'd be like a fun transition into Halloween. Although I won't have as much Halloween this year. I've already gone through and planned those out. Yeah, I'm not having a lot of Halloween this year because I am not using a Halloween kit on my birthday week. Which is a bit disappointing, but that's fine because I want to use a different kit for that week. But I decided I'm going to do mixed metal, and I'm going to first use this black one. So I just have black confetti. This is like a sparkly black from SPC. Just a standard black, and then I'm going to pair it with this Planner Hannah confetti purple. And I bought this sort of makeshift bundle once where I have some scripts, I have some hole reinforcers, I have some header overlays, although they are very intense. So we'll see how I use them. We have some full box overlays. We have a bow washi here, though I don't think I'll be using this because the bottom washi strip is the purple. So I think I'm just going to use black on that. But that's the nice thing about using a mixed metal. You can change it up. And then I do have these underlays, which also, they're kind of intense, like this sparkle look. But I feel like once I cover them, it should be okay. And I've also got this custom quote that I just got in. Dancing in the Wind is Roses Born Again, which is a line from a newer Avenged Sevenfold song. It's just been in my head, so I decided I would try and put that in here. Maybe I could put it over this box or something like that. But yeah, I thought that'd be fun. Leading into Halloween and everything we're gonna get done there. And I thought the colors really lean into going into October. So that is my September lineup. We have Full Farm Cafe, Amber Dreams, Golden Woods, Full Vibes, and Goth Doll. And I think it's gonna be a really good month. I think they're really I'm really happy with how all of these came out. I mean, at least I have two other artists, Dusk and Sadie Piper, in here. It's not old Jess. But yeah, so that is my September lineup. Let me know if we are twinning at all. Are you going into autumn for September? Or are you still waiting? Obviously, it depends on where you live or if you even do seasonal. I don't know. It'll probably be colder than here. But yeah, I just feel like going into the autumn sets, even if it might not be super autumny. But yeah, otherwise, I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe if you want to see more. Otherwise, I hope you have a wonderful day, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye. I love you. Bye-bye.